Welcome. In this video I will show you how to right click on your HP OmniBook Flip 5 laptop. So since this laptop's touchpad doesn't have any physical buttons, well, not visible at least, you can either press the bottom right part of your touchpad to use secondary click function, or you can tap your touchpad with 2 fingers at once, or if you just want to right click something on the screen using this device's touch screen, you just have to hold your finger down on the spot where you want to right click. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.